Holy moly.
What's up, baby? You get you some new gear? Why is that?
Because racing tomorrow.
Oh.
To 230 something people on Facebook.
Yeah, so this morning we started off with, if I can get 100 likes on a photo, will you race the ladies class? And Leslie's got all brand new gear, brand new boots. And she's gonna go out and ride the three-wheeler for a little bit and try to get the boots broken, get a little bit used to wearing them and whatnot. That's exactly it. This video, we're gonna go do some pit bike racing. Just got a whole new wrap installed on the pit bike from Envision Designs. We've got quite a few other sponsors that have helped us out and continue to help us out with all of our racing. We've got my business on here, B2 Detailing, and we went with the number 82 because we're not allowed to have letters in our number plates. So 8's the closest thing to a B, so 82 B2. We got Toxix Shocks. I did the BBR extension kit in this like 5 years ago, and I've never done anything with them since. Sent them off to Toxix Shocks, and the front end finally feels good again. The rear shock, if I'm not mistaken, this thing may have came out of a cereal box. They did their magic on that, and that actually feels great again too. Hardcore Performance has been a killer help for all of the snowmobiling stuff so far. Not really anything I've needed them on with the pit bike yet, but they will be there whenever we need it. Off-road custom powder coating. Haven't done anything with them yet on the pit bike or the snowmobiles, but trust me, you will be seeing quite a bit of them here in the future. And then of course, Envision Designs knocked it out of the park with this wrap as well. Fits great, and we're excited to go race it tomorrow. Stick around because we're gonna head off to Northern Power Race Park and go race some pit bikes. I'm doing the limited class, possibly the open class. Am I doing the open class?
Yes.
I'm doing the open class. Taylor's gonna do the trail class on our 125, and then of course Paige will be doing the ladies class on the 110 as well. So let's get to it. I'm exhausted. I'm excited, but I'm still tired. That doesn't mean I'm not tired. So it's race day. We're gonna get the trailer loaded up the rest of the way here, get hooked up. Gonna go up to Bird and the Bear Bakery, go get us some breakfast, and then it's off to Northern Power Race Park. Do some pity racing, baby. We'll pick you up.
Nice work. I'm good. I'm gonna chase your ass. Hey, don't make me look too bad now. I'm gonna chase you. I'm not trying in this class. I didn't hit the ground though.
Hey, dismount was amazing.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jared Holly. Joey Rodriguez. Joel Martinez. Nuremberg, and they're rolling. Number 2 in second, 82 in third. All right, Connor Chernitzky's in second, Brandon Brown in third. Our lower leader, Brandon Martinson, 3:157. Looks like Connor Chernitzky gained a spot there on that first lap. He's our fifth bike limited rider. Trail bike, 2 stages. Trail bike, 2 stages. Live. Martinson, our leader.
We got a podium in that class. Whew. I'm gonna go have fun in the next one. Like just straight up have a blast.
My dad recorded.
Good deal. And it didn't break?
It kept recording all the time.
That was awesome. I just tried to keep it smooth and chill. Oh, I really want a podium in one of these classes. Thank you! That's fun! Oh shit, my bad! I'm sorry! You're all right.
today's pit bike races, Paige went out and she did her practice and she did pretty good. The track was a bit loose. She's pretty used to riding sand. Not that she's phenomenal with it, but she's used to the idea of it. The track being pretty loose gave her sort of that advantage of understanding how to deal with it, but it still makes it kind of a pain in the butt to deal with. We got a video clip she's probably not going to be too thrilled about, where she was coming through the whoops and lost a little bit of the front end and kind of lost it in general. So she's okay. She's got a bruised hip, a little bit of a hurt hip, and we ended up passing the ladies class off to another racer and got another lady to come out and take Paige's spot. She did a phenomenal job, took second place in the class as well. So kudos to them. I took second place in the limited class, and then the first race in the open class, I went over the first berm, kind of got pushed off of it, and then at that point it was just, there was no catching up. It was a pretty tough class, so at that point I just had a lot of fun, and I had 2 more motos to go after that, and I really just treated the open class like another practice, like another fun one. So pushed hard and limited, ended up getting second place, and then Taylor came out, ran the trail class for us. Didn't podium, but had an absolute blast, learned a bit, and we're excited to see where, you know, the rest of the season goes with pit bikes. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.
And that's a wrap!